How to delete time spent on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap on three-line menu. You'll see time management option. Tap on it. Here you can see how much time you spent on Instagram. My average time spent is 42 minutes. However, there is no direct option to delete this time spent. But there is a trick that works 100%. Go back to the Instagram app. Tap and hold on the app. Now uninstall the app. Then install the app again and log into your account. You will see the time spent has gone. And that's it. This is how you can delete time spent on Instagram.